What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm back with another update on Jasmy. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm, I would greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Okay, so Jasmy is currently trading at just over 2 cents. They've finally gotten back above that level. Their market cap is just under 1 billion, which ranks 89th among all cryptocurrencies. And their circulating supply still hasn't changed. It's basically fully diluted, 98.6% in circulation. Now, if you guys are looking to accumulate Jasmy, I recommend using Binance or Coinbase. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. And now, if you look at the Jasmy news section, there hasn't been any articles added since my last video. But we'll hop straight into the Jasmy news. So this is their X account. And they just reposted April 19th Teams Web3 AI Summit 2024. Now, I'm not going to show you guys this video because it's in Japanese, so I personally can't understand it. But as I always say, it's good to see that they're attending events because you want to get your name and technology out there. Because at the end of the day, crypto is heavily driven based on hype and speculation. And obviously, one of the best ways to build hype around your project is if people know about your project. But this is actually their only post since my last Jasmy video. So I also wanted to show you this tweet by Neotrix. The Jasmy blockchain has a real purpose. While many blockchain projects and NFT use cases leave us scratching our heads, Jasmy stands out for its clarity and purpose. Jasmy's engineers harness the power of blockchain and cryptocurrencies to solve real-world problems, seamlessly integrating Web3 technology into our daily lives with complexity-free adoption, simplicity, and ease. But in general, if you guys scroll through Twitter, there are a lot of people who are extremely bullish on Jasmy. And there are a lot of people who think we are in for an enormous pump. But again, there isn't a whole lot of super important Jasmy information that I haven't covered in my previous videos. So now we'll hop into some macro news that could affect Jasmy's price action, even though it's not directly correlated to Jasmy. So this is Watcher Guru's X account. And they just posted 7 hours ago, US government seeks 3-year prison sentence for ex-Binance CEO CZ. So I guess at this point, he really is getting nailed. And then 23 hours ago, BRICS explores creating a crypto stablecoin for global trade settlements. And this right here could be huge for crypto, and it's something we definitely want to keep our eyes on. And then on April 23rd, Coinbase launches Pepe Perpetual Futures. And this is just crazy to see how far a meme coin has actually come. They truly are making a name for themselves in the crypto market. And as much as a lot of people hate meme coins, and as much as I personally used to hate meme coins, I don't hate them that much anymore. Because the reality is they onboard a lot of people into crypto. And then on April 22nd, pro-Bitcoin presidential candidate RFK Jr. says he will put the entire US budget on blockchain if elected in 2024. Now, will he actually win the election? Probably not. But this is still very good to see. I would not be surprised at all if in the near future we start seeing a lot more candidates who are pro-crypto. You have to understand how fast the crypto industry is growing. And we know this because if you look at BlackRock's spot ETF, it is the fastest growing ETF in history. So eventually, if candidates try and get in the way of crypto, they're just going to get run over. And then lastly, on April 22nd, Venezuela to use cryptocurrency for oil sales. And there are a few ways to look at this. Obviously, this is not good at all for the US dollar. And a lot of people are going to say, yes, this is extremely bullish for crypto. But the counter argument to that is maybe they're going to come after crypto even harder now to try and get it shut down. So only time will tell whether or not this is going to be good for the crypto market. At the moment, it does seem pretty bullish though. At least they're choosing crypto over some other form of payment. But while we're on X, you guys should come over and follow my account, at Crypto Now or Never. I post on here pretty much every single day, and I'm constantly calling out opportunities that I'm seeing in the market. But then I also wanted to take a second to talk about my private Discord through Patreon. So at the current moment, I have 3 different tiers, but there are many benefits to joining my Discord. This is going to give you guys closer access to me, and you guys are going to be able to track the cryptos that I'm personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. And a lot of the cryptos that we are trading in here are microcap gems, less than 10 million in market cap. They're the kind of cryptos that could absolutely explode this bull run, and we have already been making some super explosive gains. As you guys can see, 279% in 3 hours. On another crypto, we made an 11x in 10 hours. One of the more recent calls was a crypto named Landwolf, which we made over an 80x. Now, to be fair, it's retraced a lot since then, but those are enormous gains. So in general, if this sounds like something you guys might be interested in, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. We are building an amazing community. I'd love to have you guys in here. But now for the final part of this video, we'll get into some technical analysis. So this is Jasmy on the daily time frame. Now in my last video, I talked about how we had broken beneath the 21-day and the 50-day. However, since then we have gotten right back above them. And we did actually close a candle above both of them, but now we are currently trading on the 50-day moving average. So honestly, Jasmy is not that complicated right now. The main thing you were watching is these 2 levels. If we break beneath these 2 levels, that's not going to be good at all. We could fall all the way back down to about 0.016. Yet if we can stay above these levels, then the measured move of the falling wedge could end up playing out. And that measured move would take us all the way up to about 2.5 cents. And honestly, right now, Jasmy's just in heavy consolidation. So it really wouldn't be that surprising at all if Jasmy got a massive explosion. But at the same time, it absolutely could break down out of this pattern. And that's why I'm telling you to watch these levels. That'll give us a much better idea of the direction that Jasmy is wanting to head. Now, lastly, we'll take a look at Bitcoin as it's correlated to most altcoins. And this is actually Bitcoin in the 4-hour because I think it's extremely important. If you look at these candles, we have retested the 200-day moving average 4 different times, and we have gotten rejected every single time. And I've been talking about that in my previous videos. And I said, if we cannot get back above the 200-day moving average, there's a good chance that we'll fall beneath the 21-day, or at least retest the 21-day. And that is currently exactly what we are doing. We are retesting the 21-day moving average. Now, because this is the 4-hour time frame, you guys will probably already know what happened by the time you guys are seeing this video. But these are extremely important levels. We are basically sandwiched between a resistance level and a support level. So if one of these two levels break, you can expect Bitcoin to head in that direction. And while I'm recording this video, it does appear that the level is actually breaking, which is not a good thing to see. If it ends up breaking, the first level I'd look for is about 64,400. If that level breaks, I'd look for about 63.3K. And if those break, there's definitely a chance we fall all the way back down to about 59,600. But in general, as I say in every single one of my videos, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So just understand crypto is still an extremely volatile asset class. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Jasmy will go this bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.